This is Gigi. She's been visiting me for about 6 years. I've got a little bell hanging outside the window. And she rings it when she wants some food. She just rang it a couple times. Just going to see if I sit here a minute and I can catch it. There she goes. She's always been curious if I have something sitting on the windowsill. And so I thought, well, if I hang a bell out there when she comes, let's see if she rings it. So I've had the bell out there for about 6 months. She rings it and her offspring ring it. She's taught them to do that.